Hello everyone, this is Markeisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a gift set that I put together for a friend of mine who has launched her business, and her theme is centered around be good to yourself. So it is a self-care brand, and so I wanted to send her a little gift packet. And so let me just show with you what inspired today's actual projects. And so I found this little ice cube tray, a honeycomb, and I wanted to send it to her. But of course, I wanted to add some extra goodies to her. Now, keep in mind, she is not a crafter that I'm aware of. And so I wanted to just provide some things that she can give to her clients or to send out to someone if she wanted to send a little special note. So let's move right in. And so the gift box that I created to put everything in is this really cute box, guys. I really love how this turned out. Lots of embossing on this. I had fun playing with this. So let me show you guys the actual products that I used to create today's projects. So I pulled out a oldie but goodie and I have had some fun pulling out my things because of course I took a little break from YouTube as far as making videos, not crafting, and you know, I wasn't playing with my things as often as I wanted to. So it's been really fun, guys, to actually go back and pull out things. So this is a oldie, guys. Do you guys remember this Heidi Swapp little diet that everybody was going crazy on at some point? This says happy. So what I decided to do was double layer it, add a really cute ribbon there. This is a little pack that I picked up from a sticker pack. Picked that up a while ago, I believe at Tuesday morning. And then look at the embossing on this box. It is super cute. And so let me share with you guys the embossing folder that I used. I use this embossing folder right here. So sweet. It has lots of big words, shine, sunshine. So I thought it was really befitting to add to the front of the cover. And then also for the little black part on here, right here, if you guys can see the texture on that honeycomb, I think this is a Tim Holtz, yeah, I believe it's a Tim Holtz embossing folder. The way I have my embossing folders stored, I don't have them in the packages on some, and so yeah, really nice texture on that. And so everything will go in this box here. So let me share with you guys what I will be adding into her little box. So I decided to make some 3x3 cards. They are so cute. I love how they turn out, guys. I love the bee theme anyway. I actually did a bee theme gender reveal for one of my sons for his daughter, and I really loved it. So anyway, let's stay focused. So I pulled out the Tim Holtz ideology of small talk, little phrases here to add to the 3x3 cards. So this one says, remember now. Look at the texture of that embossing folder, so pretty. I left them blank so that she can add whatever message she wants to. Added that cute little bee there that came from that sticker pack, and then the little sunflowers simply came from this Martha Stewart sticker pack. So this one says, remember the now, become your best you, choose to be happy, say hello to a new day, and then another one that says choose to be happy. And as you can see, guys, I have a different little bumblebee embellishment there. I ran out of the little bumblebee, and you know, because we are doing the COVID-19, I decided not to run to the store to get some more. And here is one more that I wanted to share. The best is yet to come. So these are 6 little cards here that she can have to send out to her clients. I have the envelopes to to also give to her. And so that is what I will be adding there. So let me share with you guys the next set of cards that I created for her. Keep in mind, I was trying to provide things that she could actually give to her clients. You know, maybe she's had a meeting with them, I don't know. So this one here is the first one, and I use the Kelly Creates stamp set. I really love this stamp set here. All of her line, to be honest. I really love the font and the calligraphy writing on them. So that's the one that I use for the actual sentiment. And then as far as the die cut, I use Lawn Fawn's Stitched Oval. An oldie but a goodie. Again, love pulling out the, I call them the retro, retro dies and stamps. And so I also use the Paper Studio Candy Confetti paper, and that's what this is here. So I did stripes and polka dots, keeping with the bee color theme, and I just kind of alternated those. So just a really quick little fun gift set for her. Hopefully she can use these items in her new business. And guys, thanks so much for watching. If you are not a subscriber, please take the moment to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified when I do upload. I am back, guys. I am excited. I am going to be providing a little bit more content. Please check the description box below so we can connect on social media, on my Instagram, as well as my other YouTube channel. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.